Let's be honest. Textbooks alone can't prepare students for the real world. You know it, I know it. So, what's the secret to teaching beyond the page? Think back to why you became a teacher. It wasn't to watch students memorize facts. They can Google those. It was to help them question, create, and connect. So how do you break out of the textbook box? Start with real-world problems. Bring local issues into class discussions. Try project-based learning. Let students design, investigate, or even debate. Invite experts for guest talks or take students on virtual field trips. Let them see the world beyond four walls. Encourage collaboration and let students lead sometimes. You'll be amazed what happens when students drive their own learning. Remember, your passion is contagious. When you teach beyond the textbook, you're not just giving information, you're shaping thinkers, leaders, and lifelong learners. So go on, step off the page. Your students and their futures will thank you.